Hi, welcome to my Christmas inspired room tour. I'm really excited to show you guys what my room looks like because this has turned out to be so good. I'm in love with every corner of my room. It just feels so cozy and perfectly Christmas inspired. So now without wasting any time, I'll just give you the entire room tour and also I'll tag all the products which I'll be mentioning in the description. So yeah, let's just begin. Now, to the productive section of my room is this desk, and the entire setup is really what I dreamed of. I always wanted this cafe style vibe, and here I have created one. This is the cardboard, which is from the mirror. Yeah, like this is the mirror box in which the mirror came. I have just reused it. Okay, this is a red wallpaper which I got from Amazon, and these are really nice garlands which is from Misho. This were really affordable. I'll just tag it down below. Yes, and then we have this cute little Christmas decors, this Christmas balls which were on Misho for I guess something 200 rupees, something around that, and those were really affordable. I thought that it would come in a bigger size, but this is perfectly fine for the entire vibe. Then we have my Acer screen. This is my monitor, and also below here I have this keyboard and the mouse and my laptop. I got this monitor stand from Amazon itself. It is of good quality, and this table, as I have this table with me from almost 3 years now, and it is going strong. I know it needs to be changed because it's bent from in between, but for 2000 rupees this was really a good worth investment. On to my favorite shelf, and the favorite area of my room is this shelf. This shelf looks really nice and perfectly Christmas Pinterest inspired. These are actually really nice sturdy shelves which I have got from Misho, really affordable. I'll tag it for you guys. These frames are again from my hometown. I have just customized the prints and got it printed. Onto there, I have this cute little reindeer which is from Mr. DIY, and that is just a bucket of flowers which really brings everything together. Down here, I have this flowers. So basically, I wanted to have a text in here, but I guess for next time, I just don't have time right now. So these are the flowers which brings those Christmas vibe, and this is the clock which I have got from Amazon. This is really affordable, and one watch which I would recommend you guys to really get because it is really nice aesthetic. Above this are this cute little actually Christmas tree decors which I have used here, and then this are actually the drawers which has multiple of things, multiple of small usage things like the pins, the rubber bands, or the eraser sharpeners. These things which I actually use are kept all here organized. And then we have the another DIY. This is the calendar for the December month, which really goes in well because I wanted something which is not that loud but yet fills the space, and this was perfect. Okay, then we have this cute little sunflower which I call Sunny. It is really nice and of really good quality. And now finally this scrunchie door, which is the most practical thing on this entire shelf. I had huge amount of scrunchies, so I just wanted a place to store them, but I thought let's just display it because I had this glass container which actually had the bamboo lead, but then due to the moisture in the weather it just get spoiled. Like the amount of fungus which used to grow on that bamboo jar was insanely bad for my health, so I just discarded that. Okay, so here I have my cute little bed. This is also from Amazon. I'll link it down for you guys. This is actually a hospital bed, but it serves its purpose because I have cushioned it with two mattresses, and I have actually placed it in front of the mirror so that I could get some natural light for good shots, good UGC shots, and also for some videos because I mostly prefer to shoot here in front of the sunlight, which just gives me some really nice shots. Okay, and so here I have these two cushions and one pillow. The pillowcase is a golden satin pillowcase which is very nice, doesn't break me out, and it's really nice for skin as well. I'll tag it down. It is from, yes, it is from the Amazon itself. Okay, then on the side table I have this frame which all the frames which I have got are reused. I have got this from my hometown. It were just those were just lying around the home, so I just got it here. This is the frame I just got a printout. I really designed the Canva thing and I just got a printout, and this is a cute little Santa hat which is lying around. Then I have this flowers, this sunflowers, because there is a some pop of color which really brightens up the space as well. And this is the side table. This is a very nice side table from Amazon. It is not that strong, but it just serves the purpose. So yeah, do check it out. And this is what my mirror looks like. It is so beautiful. The cute little bow, these Christmas ornaments, and those strings, the big strings are really nice. And also one more thing is my chair. So if you guys want one good investment for your home desk, it would be just this chair. This is for 6,500, and it is so comfortable and also lightweight. You can just move it around anywhere and everywhere, and also aesthetic. It goes perfectly with any of my decor. So yeah, it's a win-win situation. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you actually feel about the vlogmas as well. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Until then, bye bye.